Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2499th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, thank you for tuning in. Good evening. Welcome to video 2499. Remember that trading is risky. Trading futures, options, ETFs, crypto, you name it. If you can trade it, it's risky. Please put your stops in first and never trade without them. Traders, in last night's video, I titled it, Wall Street's 4-Day Money-Making Secret. Well, now we're going to call this Wall Street's 4-Day Money-Making Secret Revealed. I showed this to you in last night's video, this very same chart, and I said, look at the pattern. 4 days above the 200 bar moving average, you hit a resistance line. 4 days above the 200 bar moving average, you hit a resistance line and crack. Same here. Then we found another one. 4 days above the 200 bar moving average, and you hit a resistance line. And what should happen? The money-making secret. Let's see if it happened. And it did. Bingo. Look, right there. Bingo. Just as we expected to happen. Now, we only knew that because the signal was given to us by the repetitive pattern and, of course, us paying attention to charts. The sad thing is, on Monday, today is Tuesday, right? What's this for? You know what? This is for trading on Wednesday. Don't listen to me. I never know what day it is. This is for trading on Wednesday, 12/7/2022. Now, on Monday, we put in day 4. On Tuesday, bingo, the 4-day secret of the money-making secret is revealed. And, of course, what it is, the crack should happen. So you did get the crack after the 4 days, just as we were expecting. The sad part of it is we were not able to get a short fill today on Tuesday, and we did not participate in the drop. So I was able to call it, but I was not able to get my OmniX in. We certainly will try to get in this evening for trading on Wednesday. Thanks for tuning in. I just wanted to show you this one chart because this works. Put this in your pocket and make sure the next time you see it, you can take advantage of it as well. LiveWithOscar.com is where you'll find me. And remember, keep your stops. Oh my goodness, listen to me. This is a bad day, isn't it? You know why? I'm looking to get out of here because it's Raider, or I should say Fan Appreciation Day at Raider Stadium. And when I'm done with this video, I'm going down to Raider Stadium with my son and daughter. We're going to get to hang out on the field, see the locker room, see the Raiderettes. They'll perform. We get to kick some field goals, catch some footballs, have some merch signed. Yeah! Even though I'm a Jet fan, but I'll go. Anyway, I just thought I would let you know about that. And that's probably why I'm a little bit in a rush today to get out of this video. But however, this is the only chart I'm going to show you for trading on Wednesday. The 4-day money-making secret. It absolutely worked. And we will try to get filled selling short, maybe a NASDAQ or something of that nature on Tuesday night into Wednesday and take advantage of that. Now, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things I can tell you to do is repeat this over and over, and by now you should know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in. Put your stops in first, and I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.